Hello and welcome back to another video from 55 degrees north. Today I'm in Leazes Park in Newcastle, where I'm going to take a stroll through an enchanted world of illumination at this year's Northern Lights event, which is taking place up until the 31st of December 2024. We will take a look at uniquely crafted lighting by world leading designers, and we'll take a look at food and drink prices on the way around the park. So enjoy a truly mesmerizing journey around Newcastle's oldest city park. So let's dive right in and see what it's all about. Ticket prices for this event are adult £21.50, child 3 to 16-year-old £14.95, family package £66.50 for 2 adults, 2 children, or 1 adult and 3 children. All these prices are subject to a booking fee, as you must pre-book online and book a time slot. The park is split into different themed sections, so you will now have a walk around the park to see what each area has to offer. So the first area on the tour is called Winter Skies. Moving on to the Rainbow Road. This area is called Festive Families, where you actually stood behind the illuminated displays to get a selfie taken with different sized families. We are now at Whispering Nights. This area had plenty of photo opportunities. Now onto the area called Mycelium Network. Beacons of Christmas. This area was designed by some of the children from the Great North Children's Hospital just across the road at the Royal Victoria Infirmary Hospital. Lily of the Lake is actually situated right in the middle of the lake in the centre of Leazes Park. At the first food and drink section, you have one place selling beers, mulled wine and boozy hot chocolate, and another doing traditional fish and chips. I have included the price list to give you an idea of prices. Moving along to the next section called Vertica. A little further round, you can also toast marshmallows, with the price being £4 per stick. There was also other food and drink available in this area. I have put the menu on screen to give you an idea of the prices. Continuing our walk around the park to an area called Say Cheese.
Sometimes the animals will tell their friends about the town.
Moving round to an area called Framed. continued our walk around Leazes Park to the Light Garden. We are now entering the kaleidoscope. We are now entering the world of the psychedelic snails. They have turned the old bandstand into the sea of light. The last area is called Optical before you enter the Christmas village. So when you get to the end of all the different areas, you have the Christmas village with various rides and eating establishments for you to enjoy. Before I wrap this video up, please let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this year's Northern Lights at Leazes Park. Please give the video a massive thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow, and if you've not already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell notification when I release more videos. See you next time on 55 Degrees North.